quick, just wanted to do a quick as little video because I finally bit the bullet and bought a couple of shrinker stretchers. So one's a shrinker, one's stretcher obviously. Been wanting to get some of these for a while. There's a heap more panel work I want to do on the E30 and also a few other jobs, so I just thought screw it, we'll just end up getting some for the workshop because I know they'll last quite a while. I didn't get anything super flash. These are just Metal Master ones from Machinery House. They're a little bit on the Chinese side, but they'll do the trick for me. I'll only be hardly ever using them, so they'll last ages. But pretty stoked. I do also have another thing on the way. I also ordered a bead roller, so hopefully that's here tomorrow or early next week. So, because there's the heap of the patch panels and the rear firewall of this, I want to just bead roll some nice patterns into it. So yeah, just thought I'd share it with you guys. Pretty pumped, slowly getting more gear. Sheet metal and panel beating, all that sort of stuff is all stuff I want to try and get a heap of practice at because I'm not that good at it. Plenty of room for improvement with that, so there's definitely some learning to do. So pretty stoked. Woo!